Hello, Joaquin. It's me again, Mr. Dix. Today what I'm going to show you is how to get into the literacy footprints to access your books. So what you're going to do first is on Monday and Wednesday, and as well as on Tuesday and Thursday, you're going to be assigned a book. In order to get to the book, what you need to do is you need to click on the link, just like I have. And then once you've gotten to the book, you're going to hit the book. For you, you're going to go to Student Login. After you hit Student Login, what you're going to do is you're going to type in capital DES, capital INTER, and you're going to hit Go. Once you get to there, you're going to see Classroom Reading Room, Jenny Hillebrand. Now, I know you might be thinking that you're in the wrong classroom, but this is the classroom that you need to be in. So it's not going to say Mr. Dix or my name above. It's going to say Jenny Hillebrand. And once you get to there, you're going to click on your name, Vel, J-O-A. So that is the first three letters of your last name and the first three letters of your first name. And you may need to log that in the first time. Once you click on that, it's going to ask for a password. The password is going to be READ, all lowercase, so R-E-A-D. And I'm going to click the little icon so I can see it as well. R-E-A-D will be the password, and then you will hit Go. Once you go to Go, you're going to go to Assigned Books. Now the first day, it's going to say Assigned 9-4. So you need to complete this by Friday. But the first book that you're going to read is A Puppy Named Boss. You're just going to click on the book, and then it's going to take you through the book. And you just need to click the arrow as you go along, and then you will read the book. Just like so. And you will keep clicking until you have read all the pages in the book. And that is how you will be able to log on and access all of the books under It's Learning.